Hello everyone, this is a video for question 10 on page 57 of Discovering Graphics for Junior Cycle. This is on quadrilaterals. So what we're asked to do, if you look here now, you can see in the book, we're asked to create this clapper board here with the words action written on it. So first things we want to do, I have done it out lightly here to save a bit of time. So from the measurements that we were given, as we can see, just here we can see 155 by 105. We want to create this outside box first. So using your T-square and that, I just can't use it here at the minute with the setup I have. So if we, I've already done this in lighter pencil, but if we set up our frame here first. Like so, that should be easy enough for all you to do there now, lads. That's 155 by 105. So next thing we want to come up 10 millimeters on here, so we do. So just with the frame I have set up here, it won't allow me to. If we come up 10 millimeters, we can just put a dot there. So from our drawing then, we can see we come up 10 degrees here, 10 degrees of a slant, and continue out. So all these figures here add up to 155. So we want to create two parallel lines of 155 degrees first with a 30 mil distance in between them. So I have these done out already, but as I said, with your protractor you come up your 10 degrees and strike the two of them off. Notice these are at 90-degree angles here, then we're two 90s because the lines are parallel, so we can come down here our 30 and do the same with our line on top here now. Like so, and we'll get it closed in there now. So we now have our box created. So as you see here, we need to create different sections in it. So as I said, I have these done already lightly. So if we come at our angle of 55 degrees, which we know, so we measure out with our protractor there are 55 degrees. So as I said, you step in 15 here, and come down with a line of 55 degrees. So I have this already done, set up, as I said, just to make the video that bit quicker. So if we set up our sliding set squares then at 55-degree angle, so there we now have it. So like so, and continue out then like so. Like so. So there you see our now, where we have our three segmented bits of 55 degrees. One mistake I have made there, lads, is that I have made this a continuous line here. This should be actually broken. That is my mistake there now, lads. So if you have already done it, not to worry about it there now. So as you can see there, and that's our upward bit, our lad that comes down and claps. So the only thing we have to do then now is the lettering. So as you see here with the lettering, it's 155 by 25. So if we take our 25 out of 105, that leaves us 40 and 40 either side. So if you come down 40 and come across with a light line now, lads, a light line, come across at 40 as a light line. As I said, I've already done this there now, so you can see that 40, and just making it a bit heavier for you to see, and they come on from the other side. As I said, this should be done with your T-square now. You all have them there and that, lads. So that's the top and bottom of our letters here, as we can see in the book. And then we're 115, so that again is leaving 20 and 20 either side. So come in 20 and come down with a line like so. This is done in light, lads. These are only construction lines, don't forget now. I'm just doing them out heavier there for you to see in the video a lot better. So we can see here then these are 5mm sections. So there's 5 of them to make up 25. So that can bring you 5 lines across the way. So this provides you with your diagonal lines of 5mm. Across the way like so. And we know that then the opposite way is also 5mm. There are 23 squares there, 23 into 15. Suppose 5 times. So we see here then we can start scribing down our vertical lines like so. So if you continue and do all of them there, lads, there's 23 to be done there. I'll just pause the video here and I'll do them there, not to be wasting any more time. So as you can see there, lads, I just went ahead and marked out all of them. So now it's just a matter of adding in your letters there in the corresponding squares. So I'll just do one now to show you. So I'll just come along with my heavy then. And where the count in then, that says 11 squares into the T set is the one I'm going to use. And we know the T is 4 high. So we come across 11 squares, come up 4 high, and we'll can mark that in. And the same then on the opposite side. And I'll just finish in the top bit here then. Like so. So there is our T created then as part of our action. So if you all just go ahead and do that, make sure and email either myself or Mr. Murphy there if you have any problems with this question. Thank you.